12 most beautiful islands in the Mediterranean. The Mediterranean is home to some of the world's most enchanting islands, each with its own unique charm and allure. From pristine beaches to historic ruins, these islands offer a perfect blend of relaxation and adventure. Join us as we count down the 12 most beautiful islands in the Mediterranean. Number 12, Malta. Malta, with its stunning coastline and rich history, is a gem in the Mediterranean. Explore ancient temples, stroll through medieval towns, or simply relax on one of its many beautiful beaches. Don't miss the iconic Azure Window, a natural limestone arch that was a must-see attraction until its collapse in 2017. Number 11, Corsica. Known as the Isle of Beauty, Corsica boasts rugged mountains, picturesque villages, and crystal-clear waters. Hike through the Corsican countryside, visit historic sites like the Citadel of Calvi, or unwind on one of the island's pristine beaches. Corsica offers a perfect blend of adventure and relaxation. Number 10, Crete. Greece's largest island, Crete, is steeped in mythology and history. Explore the ruins of the ancient Minoan civilization at Knossos, hike the breathtaking Samaria Gorge, or simply soak up the sun on one of Crete's many beautiful beaches. With its warm hospitality and stunning scenery, Crete is a must-visit destination. Number 9, Sardinia. Sardinia's rugged coastline and crystal-clear waters make it a paradise for beach lovers and outdoor enthusiasts alike. Explore the charming villages of Alghero and Bossa, hike through the rugged landscape of the Supermonte Mountains, or relax on the pristine beaches of the Costa Smeralda. With its unique blend of culture and natural beauty, Sardinia is sure to captivate your heart. Number 8, Santorini. Famous for its breathtaking sunsets and whitewashed buildings perched on cliffs overlooking the Aegean Sea, Santorini is a picture-perfect paradise. Explore the charming villages of Oia and Fira, visit ancient ruins like the archaeological site of Akrotiri, or simply relax on one of the island's black sand beaches. Santorini's unique beauty and romantic ambiance make it a top destination for couples and honeymooners. Number 7, Ibiza. Renowned for its vibrant nightlife and stunning beaches, Ibiza is a playground for partygoers and sun-seekers alike. Dance the night away at world-famous clubs like Pacha and Amnesia, explore the historic old town of Dalt Vila, or unwind on the tranquil shores of Cala Comte. With its lively atmosphere and beautiful scenery, Ibiza offers something for everyone. Number 6, Capri. With its rugged coastline, hidden grottos, and glamorous vibe, Capri has long been a playground for the rich and famous. Take a boat tour to the famous Blue Grotto, stroll through the charming streets of Capri town, or hike to the top of Monte Solaro for panoramic views of the island. Capri's natural beauty and chic ambience make it a must-visit destination in the Mediterranean. Number 5, Mykonos. Known for its lively atmosphere, stunning beaches, and vibrant nightlife, Mykonos is a popular destination for travelers looking to party and unwind. Explore the charming streets of Mykonos town, relax on the golden sands of Paradise Beach, or dance the night away at one of the island's famous beach clubs. With its cosmopolitan vibe and beautiful scenery, Mykonos is sure to leave a lasting impression. Number 4, Sicily. Italy's largest island, Sicily is a melting pot of cultures, with influences from the Greeks, Romans, Arabs, and Normans. Explore ancient ruins like the Valley of the Temples in Agrigento, sample delicious Sicilian cuisine in Palermo, or relax on the beautiful beaches of Taormina. With its rich history and stunning landscapes, Sicily offers a truly unforgettable experience. Number 3, Mallorca. Mallorca, the largest of Spain's Balearic Islands, is known for its beautiful beaches, charming villages, and stunning mountain scenery. Explore the historic streets of Palma de Mallorca, hike through the rugged Serra de Tramuntana mountains, or relax on the pristine shores of Cala Formentor. With its diverse landscape and rich cultural heritage, Mallorca has something for everyone. Number 2, Rhodes. Rhodes, with its medieval old town, ancient ruins, and beautiful beaches, is a treasure trove of history and natural beauty. Explore the impressive palace of the Grand Master in Rhodes town, visit the ancient Acropolis of Lindos, or simply relax on the golden sands of Faliraki Beach. With its fascinating history and stunning landscapes, Rhodes is a must-visit destination in the Mediterranean. Number 1. Menorca. Topping our list is Menorca, a hidden gem known for its unspoiled beaches, charming villages, and pristine natural beauty. Explore the picturesque fishing villages of Binibeka and Fornells, hike along the stunning Cami de Cavals coastal path, or relax on the secluded shores of Cala Macarella. With its peaceful atmosphere and breathtaking scenery, Menorca is truly a paradise waiting to be discovered. Each of these islands offers its own unique blend of history, culture, and natural beauty, making them some of the most beautiful destinations in the Mediterranean. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or simply a taste of island life, you're sure to find it in these enchanting locales.